एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल केमिस्ट्री बाय नितिश शर्मा। गाइस, आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। So we will continue start our topic, which is point group. We can study various type of point group in our this video. So now we study new molecule that's name is SF5Cl. Here S is sulfur, fluorine, F means fluorine, and Cl means chlorine atom. Okay guys, now we check which point group of this molecule. So we can see that sulfur, fluorine are in same plane, means this sulfur and this sulfur and this fluorine are in same plane guys. This is towards shaded means backward fluorine, and dark dark bone represent forward fluorine atom, and the brown atom represents sulfur atom. Okay guys, now we can check the top view of this molecule. This is the top view of this molecule. You can clearly understand that sulfur, this fluorine, and this fluorine this is chlorine atom. This is above and below, and all the four fluorine and sulfur lie in the same plane. You can clearly observe through this picture. Now we check which type of symmetry operation involved in this molecule. Okay guys, now we check the top view of this molecule. We apply C4 axis through perpendicular through this fluorine atom. You can easily observe that this is the C4 axis. Now we rotate the molecule. This is the angle which is 90 degree. Okay guys, so we check this atom rotate here with the angle of 90 degree. You can see that we can get equivalent configuration, means there is existence of C4 axis in this molecule. Now we check C2 axis. If we check rotate this atom to this, means angle is 180 degree. If we rotate this, we can also get equivalent configuration. As you can see guys, this is the equivalent configuration, means there is existence of C2 axis also. So C4 axis and C2 axis both lie at this, as shown in the figure with the help of stick. Now we can see that in this molecule the axis lie this. There is C4 axis and C2 axis. C4 axis is principal axis, then C2 axis also exists there, and C1 axis also exists. C4 axis is principal axis because n is greater. Okay, so principal axis is C4 axis. Now we check if this molecule has contained this type of axis also. As you can see that if we noted down this axis, this chlorine atom rotate here. If we rotate angle with the angle 90 degrees, so we cannot get equivalent configuration. So this axis does not exist in this molecule, because if we rotate 180 degree, then also we cannot get equivalent configuration, because chlorine atom replaced by fluorine atom, so equivalent configuration is does not obtain along this axis. So this axis does not contain in this molecule. Okay guys, I hope you clearly understand this. Now we check the plane of symmetry, sigma V, sigma H, either sigma D. Okay guys, now we check plane of symmetry in this molecule. So if we consider the top view of this molecule, this is the plane. If we pass through this plane above the molecule, which is parallel to the principal axis, that is C4 axis, this plane cut the angle 90 degree angle into two parts, means this existence of plane is exist in the molecule, and the molecule reflect equivalent configuration. So this is the dihedral plane along this axis, and this axis is parallel to the principal axis. So this is another dihedral plane which cuts the angle 90 degree. So if the angle cut and the parallel to the principal axis, then the plane exists is dihedral plane. So there is two type of dihedral plane in this molecule. If we check sigma v plane along this axis, as you can see that it is parallel to the principal axis. This plane is also parallel to the principal axis, and molecule also reflect equally along this plane. So this plane is called vertical plane. So vertical plane is also lie in this molecule which is parallel to the principal axis. One vertical plane, as you can see shown in the picture, and another vertical plane is also exist along C, along fluorine's this top view, as you can see that. So there is existence of two plane, vertical plane and two dihedral plane in this molecule. Okay guys, write it down here. This is the plane which is parallel to the principal axis and contain sigma v plane. Another sigma v plane is lie along the S fluorine, fluorine sulfur fluorine. This is sigma v, and another is dihedral plane along this axis, and this bisect the angle 90 degree between the two sulfur and fluorine atom, and this is another dihedral plane along this axis which cut the molecule angle 90 degrees. So this is the dihedral plane in this molecule. So there is existence of C4 axis in this molecule. So guys, we can go, yeah, we can check the S4 axis for this molecule. There is no horizontal plane, because if we cut it horizontally, then fluorine atom and chlorine atom does not equally reflect. So configuration, this atom different from the above atom. Okay guys, so this atom different, this is fluorine and this is fluorine, so we cannot exist as have a horizontal plane in this molecule. So guys, now check improper axis of symmetry, that is S4 symmetry in this molecule. This is the sulfur atom, and we check the S4 symmetry operation along this C4 axis. Center of inversion, either center of inversion exists? No, center of inversion does not exist, because if we go through the right and top we can obtain chlorine atom, but if we move towards upward and downward we does not get same atom, because in upward direction we get fluorine atom and in downward direction we get chlorine atom. So this atom does not same, so there is does not exist center of inversion in this molecule. So there is does not exist center of inversion because chlorine and fluorine are different along the sulfur, but fluorine, four fluorine are same, but up top and below are not same. So center of inversion does not exist in this molecule. So guys, does not exist center of inversion, so we check S4 because their molecule contains C4 axis of symmetry. So check S4. So apply C4 axis. C4 axis line the molecule. You already know that we already checked C4 axis because C4 axis exists in this molecule. First this is 90 degree, and another is this is the plane. We passes the plane along this axis, along the horizontally, but does not e- get equivalent configuration because it does not reflect equally. This atom is different, and below atom, through this atom this we can obtain different atom. So there is does not exist a horizontally plane, which means does not exist sigma plane, so does not exist S4 symmetry operation in this molecule. So improper axis does not exist, so existence is E, C1, C2, C4, and does not contain I, sigma, 2 sigma V, and 2 sigma D. So if there is an existence of C4 axis, so the point group of this molecule is either does not contain improper, so improper axis, so does not contain improper point group. This is C1, C2, and C4. So this is C, either the CN, CNV, CNH, CND. Okay guys, so this is the operations are according to this point group is CNH, CN. Okay guys, and then CNV, CNH, CNV, C infinity V. So molecule is not linear, so C infinity V does not exist in the molecule, so this is cancel out. And C, there is sigma V plane, so does not contain Cn. Okay guys, there is no sigma H plane, horizontal plane does not exist, so CNH point group does not exist in molecule, so existence of point group only is C and V. Here is N is equal to 4, so C4V is point group for this molecule. So C4V is the point group for this molecule. Okay guys, I hope आपको clearly, you can clearly understand this. If you like it, then share it, subscribe it. Thank you guys for watching.